Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Openfabric AI token. Now this token recently got a brand new central exchange listing. Ticker symbol is OFN. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So this token just got listed October 24th at 12 p.m. UTC time on a central exchange called BitGet. So if you're looking to get this token, all you'd have to do is download BitGet, B-I-T-G-E-T, from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search OFN, and then simply just buy the token. That's how you would get the Openfabric AI token. If you want to find information, you can go to openfabric.ai. If you want to find even more information, they have a document section, docs.openfabric.ai. They have two audits. So they have a CertiK audit, it says onboarding, and they have a Hacken audit. And both of those are linked on their webpage. Now they're listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. They have that linked on their webpage, along with a full link tree, link to their Twitter, which I'm going to put up right here, and their Telegram as well. So they have token information, they have AI app information, getting started guide, core concepts. They even go over things like what is a blockchain, what is a protocol, all that type of stuff if you want to learn that, just the basic things. So what is Openfabric AI? So prior to addressing more substantial inquiries, it's beneficial first to gain examples of a high-level perspective of what is a protocol and what is a blockchain. So check that out first. But Openfabric AI is a pioneering layer 1 protocol that has been meticulously designed to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence technology to new heights. The protocol harnesses the power of blockchain, advanced cryptography, and innovative infrastructure to provide groundbreaking framework for AI apps. Openfabric AI effectively addresses the most difficult challenges faced by AI platforms, like utilizing blockchain technology to ensure execution scalability and eliminate vendor lockup, reducing infrastructure demands and technical expertise required to utilize AI apps, thereby facilitating new market opportunities, promoting fair competition in the marketplace to create vast, vibrant, and cooperative communities. So in a nutshell, in simpler terms, Openfabric AI is an advanced technology that combines blockchain and artificial intelligence. It helps to overcome the challenges faced by AI platforms and makes it easier for people to use AI applications. Openfabric AI uses blockchain, which is secure and transparent, storing information to make AI more scalable and flexible. It also prevents users from being tied to a specific AI provider, giving them more freedom to choose. By using Openfabric AI, people with less technical expertise can still take advantage of AI capabilities without needing complex infrastructure. This opens up new opportunities for businesses and promotes fair competition in the AI market. In summary, Openfabric AI is a groundbreaking technology that improves how AI works, making it more accessible and beneficial for everyone. So why OpenAI? I keep wanting to say OpenAI every time I look at Openfabric AI. Why Openfabric AI? Until now, we have provided a simplified, high-level overview of protocols, blockchain, and Openfabric AI. However, in the process of simplification, it is possible to overlook crucial details. In reality, certain key features have a significant impact on technology. As a developer, it is crucial to conduct thorough research and gain deep understanding of all the underlying details. So their mission is to introduce a powerful and exciting paradigm shift in the way people perceive the field of AI by creating an ecosystem that sees innovation as its most valuable currency. It aims to provide a medium in which multiple types of participants from all kinds of backgrounds can bring their contributions to the table and achieve success and solve their complex problems by incorporating the power of AI solutions. Also redefined through research, this protocol has been developed with a strong emphasis on scientific research and rigorous validation. The core concepts that form the foundation have undergone extensive peer review by the computer science community and have been validated in top research conferences. So there's different research papers on here. They go over the evolution of blockchain virtual machine architecture towards an enterprise usage perspective, and they have tons of different articles, research papers you could read. So the consensus protocol, Openfabric AI, utilizes dynamic consensus, which is a superset of the traditional proof-of-stake consensus architecture. In the dynamic consensus model, a node represents a computing element engaging in multiple consensuses in parallel, and multiple complementary consensus algorithms can run at the same platform. Now, they have the OFN token, and this is the native token, and it's a utility token. And so it's let's see here, it's the digital currency promoting responsible network behavior and facilitating various functionalities. And it's the backbone of the whole project. Now, it's a BEP20 token, basically on the Binance Smart Chain. So most likely you can also, besides BitGet, you can get this token most likely off of PancakeSwap as well by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the Openfabric AI token using the contract address that you could find on openfabric.ai. So that's how you get it off PancakeSwap. It's probably listed on other exchanges as well, and you can find lists for those. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. I'm going to actually open that up here. I'll tell you in a second. So you can also stake this token. There's different staking features. You can get rewards. You can use it as a payment, a medium of exchange, exclusive access. And it's also a governance token that's going to enable you voting rights. It's allocated between all different like seed, private, KOLs, public sale, marketing, liquidity, team and advisors, partners, innovation fund, and ecosystem. There's a pie chart that you could check out there. There's a total supply of 500 million tokens, 18 decimal places. There's their BSC scan. They have links to their audits as well. So far, they have 2,035 holders. Token price is about 18 cents, 18 decimal places on this token. Fully diluted market cap of a little bit over $89.6 million. And if you go over to CoinMarketCap, most likely it's going to tell you, they do have all the links to the white paper, GitHub, Telegram, Discord, Twitter, website, all that type of stuff is available on their CoinMarketCap listing. It doesn't actually say, usually it says here what exchanges it's listing on. Maybe on CoinGecko it'll tell us. It's also listed on CoinGecko. It says it's down 15% today. According to CoinGecko, token price is 15 cents per token. So maybe they're one of the BSC scans a little off or something there. But yeah, they also have a LinkedIn. You can check out a YouTube channel. And they're also listed on Kucoin, so you can get it off Kucoin as well. It's also paired with USDT on Kucoin. So PancakeSwap, Kucoin, or BitGet, basically. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Openfabric AI? Not OpenAI, Openfabric AI. Leave a comment down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.